Alright, what's up, y'all? So I have this check engine light that I'm gonna try to scan and see why it's there. So I'm pretty sure I scanned it before, and I know it's a O2 sensor, but let's take another look at it. Oh man. So I scanned it before and it said bank 1, sensor 1. So what I'm going to be doing today is putting in one of these things right here. It's not really a fix, it's more of like a, band-aid for the problem. But I just want to get rid of the check engine light because I don't really care. I'm not really seeing any effects or MPG differences in it. So, oh wow, 4 codes this time. Alrighty, let's get to it. So I bought this special wrench, offset oxygen sensor wrench, because you can't just use a wrench for that. It's gonna probably strip it. I mean, you might be able to get away with it, but I mean, these are original O2 sensors. They've been on here for what, 18 years and 130,000 miles almost. So I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be easy to get off. So see, it's got like a cut in it, so you can put it through that wire and then slide it on. So you get the nice fit on that thing. Now, this should be a pain in the ass, but let's see what we can do here. Alright, so I just managed to loosen it. It wasn't too bad actually. So I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see, but it's the best I can do at the moment. Stupid airbox is in the way. Guys, I have to go modify this a little because the O2 sensor won't fit through here, so I'm gonna just see if I can kind of grind it down or something. So what I'm trying to do now excuse me, is drill. I'm gonna take this drill and expand the hole in there a little bit so the sensor fits through there, because it screws into here, but it extends there through there a little longer, and you can't really tell, but it's a little smaller in there. So, or like the diameter shrinks, so I'm just expanding that right now. So let's get to it. Yeah, if you can see that, I was just flattening both sides out, so if I ever want to take it off again, it'll be a lot easier. I have like a ratchet to grab, so this step's not necessary, but I was just helping on my future self. Should be perfect fit. Look at that. What happens here is this wire keeps twisting. When I try to tighten it this way, it keeps twisting. So what I'm gonna do is twist the wire this way, so when I put it on, I'm actually untwisting it. And of course, I'm gonna tighten it. That's the final product. So after I drove to work today with that new O2 sensor trick, so I'm gonna try to do now is put on that 90-degree angle spacer and see if that makes a difference. So I was doing some research, and what I found out is the first sensor up here gives readings to the computer. The first O2 sensor closest to us right here, closest to the camera, is supposed to fluctuate a lot more, and then the cat is supposed to stabilize it, the reading on the second one. So the second one shouldn't be as fluctuative, if that's a word. So I'm gonna put this sensor in the first one, hopefully that fixes it. Alright guys, so what I finally ended up doing was adding another 90-degree angle defouler, I guess they call it, another spacer on there. So that finally got rid of the check engine light. So looks like we resolved the issue for now. So that's how you fix your check engine light the cheap way. So it took me about, I mean, if you do it the right way the first time, it should take you like an hour, and only like 15-20 bucks you can find these for. So definitely worth it, instead of replacing the whole cat for like 300-400 plus if you do it yourself, and if you pay somebody else, probably like 2 or 3 times that. So like the video if you enjoyed it, and if you're looking to make this fix as well, I have the parts, these exact parts down there in the description below, as well as the O2 sensor if you need to replace that. Sometimes you may need to go that route if this doesn't do the trick. So good luck if you have this issue, and see you next time, guys.